guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another men's t-shirt recycle or upcycle, whatever you want to call it. And I must say there were a few oops with this one, but at the end I think it came out good. It was giving me some 90s gypsy vibe, and I found it difficult to style, but I think it worked out well at the end. So leave a comment below if you have other ideas of how I could style a top like this, and just general thoughts on how the top turned out. So yeah, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed this tutorial, and please do subscribe. Onto the video now. Tools you will need are a fitted tank top, scissors, thread, pins, measuring tape, and just the usual culprits. The first things you need to do are to cut off the collar, sleeves, and seam rip any pockets. Next, place the tank top on the top of the shirt and cut around it, leaving about an inch seam allowance. After cutting, place the pieces right side together and join at the sides with a straight stitch. And it was at this point that things almost started to fall apart. I did not add enough seam allowance, so the shirt was tight around the bust area, so I had to then change another style. So lesson for the day: never give up, guys. Okay, I took my on the bust to the waist measurement and marked it on the fabric. Then I cut off the excess at the top and at the bottom. However, at the top I only cut the front piece, making the back piece longer than the front. Next, cut off the sleeve curves and open up the sleeves at the side. Finish the sides by folding in twice and sewing with a straight stitch. Next, cut off the curved hem of the sleeve and sew a running stitch at the hem to gather the fabric. Then gather the fabric to the length of one side of the front piece. Place the gathered piece on the front, right sides facing, and join with a straight stitch. Finish the hem of the top by folding twice and sewing with a straight stitch all around. To complete the length of the sleeve, cut out two rectangular pieces that are 10 inches long and 6 inches wide, or just depends on how long you want it to be. Pleat the other end of the front piece. I made mine 2 inches wide. Make a basting stitch to keep the pleats in place. Take the rectangular piece and wrap it around the pleated front piece. Ensure that it is well placed and there is no space at the joint, and then pin it down. Sew with a straight stitch across and also along the length of the rectangular piece. I went ahead and finished the hem of the back to attach, so I could attach the straps. Then place a strap on the back piece, right sides facing, and stitch it down a straight stitch. And with that recycle top is complete. Although the beginning was rocky, I think it turned out great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and will try it. If you do try it, share it with me on Instagram at miss_blooms. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.